back to my channel. This is Benji. And if I remember you saying, sinasabi natin madalas na, oh my God, what is this guy doing? I'm absolutely better than this guy. Madalas natin sinasabi na, oh, mas magaling pa tayo dyan eh. Pero, lagi-lagi naman tayong walang ginagawa, di ba? Madalas nating nakikita yung ibang tao na nakikita natin na we can do much better on what they are doing. And yet, wala naman tayong ginagawa sa sarili natin. Kung minsan naitatanong natin kung eto na ba yung pinaka-the best na nagawa mo sa buhay mo. Ikaw, tanungin kita, how could I ask you? Yun na ba yung the best na nagawa mo sa buhay mo? Yun na ba yung ginawa mo na talagang pinag-igihan mo? Kaya, sinasabi ko sa iyo, ikaw, yes, ikaw. This message is absolutely for you. I'm sending this message to you. Tumayo ka na, huwag kang mahiga, huwag kang laging higa ng higa sa higaan mo. Tumayo ka na there and do your best. And one day, magiging proud ka sa sarili mo. Dahil alam mo na ang lahat ng ginagawa mo is you're doing the best. If you're doing that, then absolutely, I can say as well that you are better than him. Oh, yun lang masasabi ko. And I would like to say as well that thank you God for this day, wonderful day, good health to my family. And also, if you like this kind of inspirational talk, just like, subscribe, share, and there is a lot of more coming. Once again, this is Benji, over and out.